Hi, welcome to I1 Auto. This is '08 Toyota Sienna. This sliding door, sometimes this Sienna very known for problem with the door. Sometimes like door is not open, like when you pull the handle is not open. Sometimes open little bit and stuck there, or just open like this and stuck there. It don't go any further. The reason is this: most of the time they see the door hinge, the center hinge with the roller things. This is the center hinge. This thing is sometimes have a lot of place. So there's a little bushing right there. Right. I can see you. I don't know. I can show you right here. This little pin, like a bushing thing. Sometimes it fell. Oh, it's got a lot of. After that, it's got a lot of play. So basically, when this one have a problem, when this pin bushing pin is broke, so door basically go a little bit down, like little down. Grab a hand like this and just pull up and down. A lot of place. The reason is, you see the door like locking things. This one, when the door is like slightly little bit down, go down. So door basically, when you close the door basically hold like this. It's supposed to be between the lock like this in the middle, but it doesn't stay in the middle. It's holding like this. So that's why when you push try to open, it's very hard to open. It's go like that. Outside is, so the thing is lock things. It should be in the middle like this, like that. Close the door like that, but because the door is little down, so this one is holding like this. So it's like this. It's holding like this when you close the door. That's why it's not open easily. That's why you need to change this door hinge. It's very simple really. This 3 12mm hole, 1 2 3. This is the customer card somebody take. That was automatic. There should be roller in here. So this is the manual. Somebody took it off everything. So there should be one 10mm ball, one 10mm ball right there. Just loose it up all the way. Take it off. Before you lose it up, underneath the door support, we have a jack, like a hole with the jack like this, or put some wood or something so door doesn't fall all the way down. Just stay wherever it is. For the alignment, you can just put the mark right there, right here. You can put the mark with the ink. So that's how you get the alignment. Usually you can see, because this thing is holding long time, so it should be a little mark in here. You will see that. So when after you losing all this board, I'm gonna take it out. Let me show you. After losing those board, slightly you can move those little bit, make a more gap. So that's how you can take this thing, pull all the way down right here. Let me show you the old one. I replaced this already. So just slide in like this. After that, just flip like this. It will come out like that easily. Basically, most of the time have a problem the roller. Sometimes the roller, there's a 3 roller on 2 on the top. You see sometimes the roller fell down, have a problem. Then the middle one right there, there's the one in the middle, like this one. So when you put it in just like this, make sure the vent is open. So after that, just slide it in like that. I'll show you from here. There you go. So it's good now. It's good now. After that, just reverse removal. Just put it in and tight the bolt. And you can hold one hand like this, pull it up a little bit, another hand to tight the bolt, hand tight, then tight. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.